Hey, what's up? It's your favorite nurse, Nurse Viv, back at you with another hotel review. And today we are at the fabulous Bellagio Hotel Resort and Casino, and we're going to take a tour of the Bellagio suite. Our room today is room 300024, and follow me. Let's go take a look. All right, here we are, Suite 30026. Ooh, right off the bat, beautiful foyer. Look at that. You've got different textures of, different textures of the wallpaper. Just a really warm feel on the wallpaper so far. And right when you walk in, first thing is an off the suite toilet room. Water room. And this is good because if you've got more than one person, we all know it is very convenient to have another little washroom. We all know why. And it does it's nothing super fancy, but it definitely does the trick. And then as you walk into the open living room area, you see you've got an armoire with some modern art right next to it. And then to your left, you've got a working desk area, which is actually a very good size. Let me point out also over here that it's not the kind that has a bunch of plugs over by the lamp, so you will need to bring some sort of extension cord if you have a lot of things you'd like to charge. You've got laptops like we do here, your iPads and whatnot. There is an electrical outlet back there, so again, you will need to provide some sort of strip or something if you've got multiples like we do. As far as the decor, it's modern. I know some of the Bellagio rooms tend to be a little bit dated. I think they're probably due for a renovation, and I think they may be doing or starting that really soon. But this is a very, very nice sized living room. You've got everything you need to entertain or just kind of hang out, chill out. I could see 4 people up in here, if you're meeting up with your friends and whatnot. But everything's really comfortable. I've tried all of these chairs. I'll be 100% honest with you, the couch is not the most comfortable. The chairs probably are more comfortable than the couch itself. But you've got a great sized coffee table to put your drinks and whatnot. The lighting is very good. It takes you a minute to kind of figure out what's the best setting for the lighting, depending upon the time of the day, but still, very good. Now, one thing we did that this room does not offer already is a refrigerator. So we actually called down, or while we were checking in, and that's one tip for you guys. Think of the things that you want to have in your room immediately. Those are the things that you need to mention while you're at the desk, because that way they're not going to waste any time and you'll get your stuff sooner. And then you can check for availability too. We ended up asking for a little fridge because that's just something that we like. We like to have our drinks and our snacks cold, and to hold maybe a little bit of food, but so make sure you do that. And there was no extra charge for this for us, so sometimes you'll get it for free, but just ask them, And then over on this side, you do have a decent size TV. I'm not going to say it's the biggest, but it does the job, no problem whatsoever. Very easy to use controls. On either side of this armoire that we've got underneath. Oh, and by the way, you do have plenty of HDMI plugins for the kiddos in case they want to bring their PlayStation, or the big kiddos. And there's some additional plugs here as well. They do, of course, have a mini bar. It's actually a maxi bar if you ask me, because it's kind of big. They've got some bigger sizes of all your favorite spirits. On the bottom there's wine, champagne, and then your normal soft drinks, Red Bulls. You've got a couple import beers as well. And then, like I said, your spirits are going to be over here. I will try and find the prices to all that stuff, and then I can put that in the comments as well if I can find them. But it does operate on that magnet system, so if you lift it, it's yours. So just be careful with that. Don't try to put anything in here. I wouldn't, and that's why I would order a fridge. Here's the view, you guys. This is, of course, of the famous, world famous Bellagio fountains. They're going off right now, as you can see. Our view is, this is probably one of the best views on the Strip. You're going to hear me say that quite a few times because it just is. We're directly across the street from, or the Strip, should I say, from Paris, the Paris Hotel. To the right, you would see the Cosmopolitan. There's also Planet Hollywood. Bally's, the Flamingo, and the Cromwell are directly across from us view-wise. And Bally's is over there too. So yeah, these fountains run pretty much every hour or two, I believe, and they are set to music, and it's just an absolutely beautiful sight. You should definitely make sure you see it at least once. Every time I see them, I do have to actually stop and stare for a quick second, you know, but it's just lovely, absolutely lovely, and just very unique in the world, let's put it that way. And now, let's take us into the bedroom where the magic happens. Oh, you know what? It's a little lived in. I'm gonna wait until the housekeepers go ahead and clean that up. And plus, running on my time here, I'm a little bit late for a spa appointment I've got, so we will do that later tonight. Okay guys, so now it's time to look at the master bedroom where the magic happens. Now when you first walk in, I have to admit, this is a really big size room. This might even be a little bit bigger than my own master bedroom at home. So I don't know, some people may say it's a little bit too big, but not to me. You know, bigger is always better, right? So when you first walk in, of course you'll see the bed, and you've got a nice little bench that's right in front of it. I don't know, I personally like those. This is typically where I put my suitcase. But again, very, very nice size, and just out of curiosity, this is a king size bed, of course. So when you walk in, oh, look at this. Beautiful furniture layout. You've got a regular size chair, and then you've got the chaise lounge. I don't know about you guys, but there's just something about a chaise lounge. I just love it. It's not really a couch, not really a love seat, not really just a chair. You know what I mean? So you've got enough room to spread out, or you could use it to put your stuff on, whatever. But super comfortable, not that itchy material. This is really, really nice. And all of this is right next to this huge picture window, which is floor to ceiling, you know, perfect, of course. And it's controlled by the little master control panel over here, which you can open and close both the sheer and the blackout. I'll go ahead and just open that and close them for you, so just so you guys can see it. So let's open and, oops, open. Oh, it's already open. Sorry, I gotta open the shears. There we go. Look at that, and look at our view, guys. This is directly across the street from the Paris Resort, and then also the Bellagio fountains. I'll show you guys, I'll like insert a clip of the view with the when the actual fountains are going. Absolutely gorgeous, of course. Vegas is known for those Bellagio fountains, which are always set to music, if you didn't know. Sometimes people will show them without any sound, or they're talking, but there's actually music. Today when we were riding by, they were doing Whitney Houston, which is appropriate, I think, you know? Queen. So of course, you know, I've got to do a bed check. So ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Woo! Yes. 2 thumbs up. Okay, so next we've got the closet. Guys, this is a great closet. It's not too big, not too small, and of course, you've got 2 robes, not 1, but 2. the large size, small size. And of course, if there's a robe, I'm gonna wear it. But plenty enough size to put everything you need, and they've got a safe if you feel like you need that as well. One thing I love about this room is the fact that they've got his and hers bathrooms. So let me go ahead and show you the first one. The first one we're gonna look at is the his bathroom. And I'll tell you why I think this is the his bathroom. When you first come in, you've got a lot of space. This is a good spaced bathroom. But one of the cool things about this bathroom, check it out guys, ingrained inside of the mirror, you've got a TV. That's right. You've got a TV so that you can watch your stocks, you can watch your scores from the game the previous night. It's just such an awesome touch. And this is truly Bellagio upscale style. And then, I haven't even told you one of the best parts of it. They've got just a really cool walk-in shower, huge for 1, 2, 3. But not only is this just a regular marble shower with a bench, of course, but check it out, guys. They've got a steamer so that you can have your own like little steam room. Of course, I'm not going to turn it on right now, but yes, this creates your own personal steam room right in your shower. How amazing is that? And also, you know, you may have a reason to call somebody, or if you have a friend also in the hotel, but they've got a phone right here next to the throne. How convenient is that? Now let's go ahead and take a look at the women's bathroom. All right, ladies, let me show you our bathroom, the women's bathroom. So when you come on in, first thing you're gonna notice on this one too, yes, ladies, it has its own TV as well. I don't have it on right now. But the remote is right there. They give you, excuse me, plenty of accoutrement as far as your lotion, shampoo, and conditioner. And then also they give you a little bit of mouthwash, definitely an upgrade. Huge vanity, of course, to put all of our stuff out. And then you've got the soaking tub. Oh my gosh. Now this is a true soaking tub. It's very deep, so those of you who enjoy baths, this is going to be the tub for you. So let me just show you exactly how deep this is. Check this out. Oh. And just for reference, I'm 5'9", so. Oh, okay. Well, let me redo that. And as with the fellas' bathroom, ours also has a convenient telephone in case you need to make a phone call right next to the throne. Okay guys, well there you have it. That was the Bellagio suite. Now as far as price range goes, it does start in the low 400s to mid 400s depending upon the time of the week that you reserve for and what type of deals and specials, of course, that you may have been offered. And of course that it always does not include your resort fees and tax. So keep that in mind if you're thinking about booking this hotel. But, you know, like I said, if you're thinking about, you know, just upgrading a little bit and treating yourself and going for something a little bit more plush, consider this room. It's very nice. You know, for what you're getting, the 3 bathrooms, you know, the really, really good bed, the view, of course, they say location is everything, right? It may be something that, you know, you can trade that price off, you can justify, but let me know let me know your thoughts about it. You know, have you stayed in this suite? Are you planning on it? Are you considering it? Let me know your pros and cons. I'd love to talk about it. Just put that in the comments for me. Anyways, it's about time for me to go to my spa appointment. I cannot wait for that. So I'm going to go ahead and go, but I can't wait to see you guys in the next review. So you guys, peace, love, and soul, of course. Bye.